Hi friends, welcome back to day 18 of 26 days to master letter sounds. I'm Hannah from Speechcraft Educational Services. In the last video, we learned the sound of letter Q, and letter Q sounds as in queen. And today, we're moving forward to the next letter sound. I bet you can guess the letter, right? Today, we're learning about the sound of letter R. Letter R, R, R. And letter R sounds like you're running. That's right. Letter R sounds as in rat. I don't like rats. Rice. I like that one. I like rice. Letter R sounds as in roof. 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 Letter R sounds as in rockets. 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 Letter R also sounds as in ruler. 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 This is the phonetic symbol for the sound r. Listen for the sound r in the following words. Rainfall, rainfall, rainfall. Roster, roster, roster. I know many people pronounce the word as roster, duty roster. That's wrong. It's roster, roster, roster. You can also hear the sound r in the word arrest. 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 Go and arrest him. Go and arrest him. Who? I don't know. We also have the sound r in the word rehearse. 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 Most persons pronounce it as rehearse. The last sound is not z, it's s. Rehearse. Rehearse. I like to rehearse. I need to go and rehearse. I really need to rehearse. Easy, right? Finally, you can hear the sound r in the word restaurant. 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 I went to a restaurant yesterday. I like the restaurant. The restaurant is nice. Restaurant. Remember, letter R sounds r. That will be all for today. Join us again tomorrow for the next letter sound. Remember, mastering the basics is the Speechcraft way to literacy. Bye for now.